Ending a relationship, especially when you're emotionally attached, is one of the hardest things you'll ever do. But it's also one of the most important steps toward healing and finding peace. It's okay to feel scared, overwhelmed, or like you can't go through with it. That's completely normal. Emotional attachment is powerful, and breaking free from it can feel like you're losing a part of yourself. But deep down, you know that staying in a situation that causes you pain will only keep you stuck. You deserve better than a relationship that leaves you feeling trapped, broken, or doubting your worth. It's not an easy process, but the first step is acknowledging that letting go is an act of love for yourself. The first step is recognizing that this relationship isn't serving you anymore. It's not about blame or guilt. It's about realizing what you need to feel healthy, happy, and whole. If trust has been broken or communication leaves you feeling more hurt than supported, those are signs that it's time to step away. You deserve trust, respect, and a connection that lifts you up, not one that leaves you second-guessing or feeling small. Writing down why you need to let go can help solidify your decision. These reasons aren't just excuses or moments of weakness. They're truths that remind you of what you deserve. Keep that list somewhere close. When doubt creeps in, and it will, those reasons will help you stay grounded in your decision. When the time comes to end it, the best approach is to keep things simple and clear. You don't owe long explanations or debates about why you're leaving. The most important thing is to communicate your truth in a calm, respectful way. You might say something like, "I've realized this relationship isn't healthy for either of us, and I need to focus on myself right now." Remember, you're not responsible for how the other person reacts. They may try to argue, guilt you, or pull you back in, but you have the right to set boundaries for your own well-being. It's okay to be firm. Ending a relationship is not about hurting them. It's about protecting yourself and prioritizing your mental and emotional health. After the breakup, creating space is critical. This means going no contact or limiting contact as much as possible, even if it feels like the hardest thing in the world. Delete their number, unfollow them on social media, and block them if necessary. Seeing reminders of them can make it harder to move on and trigger the urge to reach out. The truth is, the silence will feel unbearable at first. It may feel like you've lost a part of yourself, but this space is where healing begins. Treat this time like a detox. Just like breaking any habit, the first few days or weeks will be the hardest, but the discomfort will fade over time. Every moment you resist the urge to reach out is a victory for your healing process. In those moments when the pain feels like it's too much to bear, finding ways to redirect your focus can make all the difference. Physical activity, like going for a walk or exercising, helps release built-up tension and boosts your mood. Writing down your thoughts in a journal can help you process your feelings and gain clarity about why you're letting go. Reaching out to a trusted friend or family member can also provide comfort and remind you that you're not alone. Small, manageable goals are also powerful. Even simple acts like getting out of bed, taking a shower, or making yourself a meal can help you rebuild a sense of normalcy and remind you that you're moving forward, even if it's one small step at a time. Leaning on your support system is a vital part of this journey. Friends and family who care about you can offer perspective, encouragement, and a sense of stability. Don't be afraid to open up about how you're feeling. If talking to people in your immediate circle feels difficult, there are online communities where you can connect with others who've gone through similar experiences. Spaces like Reddit's r/breakups or r/emotional abuse can provide validation, advice, and support. Sometimes just knowing that others understand what you're going through can make you feel less isolated and give you hope that you'll get through this too. When obsessive thoughts creep in, it's important to challenge them with reality. Take a step back and remind yourself of how the relationship made you feel, not just in the good moments, but in the times that left you feeling hurt, unseen, or undervalued. Think about what reaching out would truly accomplish. Would it bring resolution, or would it reopen old wounds? Writing down your thoughts can help you untangle your emotions, and practicing affirmations can reinforce your strength. Phrases like, "I am strong enough to let go," or "this pain is temporary," but healing will last forever, can be powerful reminders of your resilience. These thoughts may feel repetitive, but they're tools to help you push through when the urge to chase feels overwhelming. Healing doesn't happen overnight, and it's not a straight line. There will be days when it feels like you're taking steps backward, and that's okay. Forgive yourself when you stumble, whether it's reaching out or spiraling into thoughts about the relationship, and remind yourself that setbacks are part of the process. Each time you get back up and keep moving forward, you're building the foundation for a stronger, healthier future. Recovery is not about perfection, it's about progress. Celebrate even the smallest victories, like making it through one more day without reaching out. These moments are proof that you're growing and healing, even when it doesn't feel like it. You've survived hard things before, and you will survive this too. Ending a relationship like this will hurt. It will feel like tearing away a part of yourself, but staying will keep you from the peace and happiness you deserve. Trust in your own strength, even if it feels faint right now. Take it one step, one moment at a time. This is your chance to choose yourself, to reclaim your life, and to remind yourself that you are worth love, respect, and joy. You can do this, and you are not alone.